Your opponent is very strong striking. So do you have any game plan to fight him?
ជំរាបសួរលោកគ្រូរតថ្ងៃតែនេះកីឡាករដៃគូរបស់លោកគ្រូគឺខ្លាំងមែនតើតែមានគម្រោងថានឹងពួនមិនដែរថ្ងៃតែនេះថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យបានល្អហើយខ្ញុំមិនធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនខ្ញុំខូចចិត្តម្ដងទៀតដែលការប្រកួតដណ្ដើមខ្សែក្បាត់លើកទី2អញ្ចឹងការប្រកួតលើកនេះគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យបានល្អហើយខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញសមត្ថភាពខ្លួនឯងថ្ងៃស្អែក I will try my best, and I don't want to be sad like my last fight that I lost the champion belt in TMA. And then, tomorrow, I will show you guys about how strong am I.
So this is your second chance to reach the belt. How many percent you put in this fight to win?
តើលោកគ្រូមានការជឿជាក់ប្រមាណភាគរយដែរសម្រាប់ការប្រកួតថ្ងៃស្អែកនេះថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ 60% ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបានល្អទី1គឺថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺជាថ្ងៃថ្មីគឺខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញសមត្ថភាពហើយខ្ញុំនឹងយកជ័យជំនះដើម្បីទៅក្លឹប Cambodia Top Team. Yesterday I believe 60% and I believe that I will win him and I try my best to Cambodia Top Team.
Thank you, Surinsara. Hi, Somozo. So this is your second chance again, right? So you know your opponent is a fighter, have many experience at the One Championship. Is this make you fear of that?
ဒီပွဲကဆောင်းဆုံးပြင်ဆင်ထားတယ်။ဘာလို့ပြင်ဆင်ထားလဲဆိုတော့តែဘက်ကငါကground ပို့ပြီးလေ့ကျင့်ထားတယ်။ငါတို့တက်ပို့ပြီး stand fight လေ့ကျင့်ထားတယ်။ငါဒီပွဲမှာသူဝင်လုံးမယ်ဆိုရင်ငါ distance ကိုချပြီးရတယ်ငါ stand fight နဲ့လည်းထိုးမယ်လို့ငါဆုံးဖြတ်ထားတယ်။ငါအကောင်းဆုံးပြင်ဆင်ထားတယ်ပေါ့ဒီတော့ငါသူ့ကိုနောက်ပေါက်ထိုးမယ်နော်။
Thank you. So now face off with your opponent, please.